Greetings, vinyl babies, people, whatever, music lovers, indulgers, such as myself. Eric Nigma here, your friendly neighborhood music connoisseur, consumer, customer, whatever. Here with another video, unboxing wise. Let me get out your grill. I'm sorry, I'm too close. I'm just really excited because I got a box. Clearly I have a package, but what's inside of it? Well, I can't just open it and show it to you because some of you aren't gonna even really get the context of it. Some of you still won't understand why I was excited to receive this thing. So let me give you a brief history. My words are running together because I'm thrilled. I'm waiting on this for a minute. So let me. What I have to do first is I have to tell y'all about a group that I am a huge fan of right now. They're fairly kind of new. They're just now starting to get the wheels, the gears running. Really getting a lot of attention. But they're an underground act, an independent act. They go by the name of Alla Xul Elu. Sometimes known as either Zul or AXE for short. So we'll just refer to them as AXE. Axe, yes. So yeah, AXE, got into them a few years ago. They have this very, very unique look, which is, very, a lot of people try to make, we try to say looks aren't important when it comes to like music, art and whatnot, but sometimes it is, especially when you're in part of a community or a scene that can sometimes be oversaturated by a lot of stereotypes and, just generic carbon copy styles and artists and imagery and visuals. So when someone comes in with something new, unique, and refreshing to their aesthetic or just their overall visual look, whether it's gimmick or genuine, who cares? Meaningful, I don't know, whatever. But whenever someone comes in with something new and different, and eye-catching, basically, it's a breath of fresh air. It really is refreshing. Again, it's a big thing. So that's the thing that got me with AXE, because they're a horrorcore act, which 9 times out of 10, you're playing for juggalos, because juggalos have just overtaken the horrorcore subgenre to where they're the main audience, no matter if you are a juggalo or aren't a juggalo. If your music falls to the horrorcore subgenre, some of your audience is more than likely juggalos, or at least listen to ICP or Twister, juggalo artists. And so, for them to be part of that scene and to have such a very distinct look, which by now you're seeing what they look like. That mask, that Leatherface kind of mask is very key to this whole video. So yeah, I immediately took to them off of that. But then on top of that, of course, because yeah, you can have a good look, but the art is the art good. Does the art match up with the look? And fuck yeah, it did, man. These dudes can spit. These dudes are grimy. They're lyricists, which is, some of you might hate me to say it, but that's kind of rare in horrorcore or in juggalo, in the juggalo culture. So it was very, again, refreshing to see this act of these dudes with this look and this skill. I immediately took to them, man. Everything they put out has just been a grab for me, man. Like, so far, I have, as far as I know, all of their CDs. so far, I got all their vinyl. But the biggest thing, anyone who is a fan of them, which, by the way, their fans are referred to as Zooligans. Zooligans, wherever the text is. By the way, I do have an Instagram account dedicated to all Zooligan activity and Juggalo shit. There's only Zool. Instagram should be down there, whatever. Put in the description as well. But the main thing that, if you're a fan of them, if you're a Zooligan, you are always on the prowl for, you're always clamoring for, you're always on the hunt for, you're always on call, just waiting for it to drop, to be announced, is a forever face. What is a forever face? Well, simply the forever face is the face they wear on their face. It's the mask, basically. Of course, you know, like a Slipknot. When it comes to merchandise wise, wouldn't you want to own that mask? Yeah, that's the thing. you gotta have at least one forever face. This one is the Lurker. I believe it's called the Lurker, kind of in tribute of Kobe, because it's the Laker colors. I believe that's why they call it the Lurker, not the Laker. And I have a few others. You know, I have 3 others that you'll probably be seeing right here in this video. Those are the 2.0s though. They you know, every group that wears a mask, they change their look with every release. And those that I have now, and that many others have, are called the Forever Face 2.0s. Recently, they've been showing off a somewhat new look with these new Forever Faces, which have gone by the name of the 2.1s, not the 3.0s, the 2.1s. And immediately, all Zooligans, all fans, everyone was just like, can't wait till they release those for purchase. So, make a long story short, they recently did. The very first ones, the very first waves of Forever Face 2.1s for, you know, to buy, basically, for consumption. So, I had to get one. Now I got one. So yeah, we are going to bust this bad boy open, and I am going to see what these Forever Face 2.1s, the very first ones they put up for sale, look like in person. I'm so excited for this. All right, first off, color of boxes to help me bust into this bad boy. So let's do that.
Be mutated and disfigured, guzzle blood and sip liquor with your kid sister. Get the big picture. I psych, I'm lying. Bill's mad nice until we decide to get violent. Then its hills have eyes. Hallelujah! Send them to a better place. Let's see.
Just open it, dude. Let's just stop with the dramatic. Just fucking open it. Hold on. Oh, look at this. A Forever Face 2.1 sticker. One of the first Forever Face 2.1 stickers. I don't know if they've had these out for a while. This is the first, for sure. Hell yeah. Now, before I take that out, gotta get this. I knew it. Gotta make sure you got this. This is a Forever Face certificate of authenticity, basically, by Billy Obey, one of the members of AXE. Love these, been collecting these, got all these for each one of my masks. Forever Faces, I mean. Yeah. Wish they would have the new one on there, but who gives a shit? That's not what I bought this for. But thanks, Billy. Shout out to Billy Obey. He is the shit. The guys in the AXC, I just gotta say, they're really great at being engaging with fans online. Yeah, just gotta really commend for that. Really dope for that. But yeah, if you don't get this with your Forever Face, then something might be wrong. That's all I'll say. I mean, that's just me assuming. All right, come on now. Let's get to it, dude. Man. Just this image alone. Just this image alone, dude. Just this image alone, dude. Oh. Already worth the money. I haven't taken it fully out. I'm already worth the money. Let's take it. Holy shit. Oh, yeah, dude. Yeah. Hallelujah. Singing to a better place. Last thing you see. Forever Face. Fuck yeah. This is going to be a little wobbly because I'm balancing my tripod on the bed, but just gotta get a full view, man. Look at this. Oh my god. Well, there's two reasons why I am so freaking hyped to have this. One is because I never got an original Forever Face, which, just of any version, whether it's the OG versions that they had, when they were first really kind of starting out, or whether it was the first wave of 2.0s, with this grayish, color in the blood, on the brain and the scar tissue and stitches. God, it's so detailed. So I never had one of those. I always wanted one. And I will get one eventually, but this is to have one of this though. Oh, so for 2.1 is so great, dude. So great. Second reason, of course, the detail, man. Look at the scar tissue. If you're squeamish, I'm sorry, but just look at it. Oh, wow. That's gnarly. Stitches. That's my favorite thing about the Forever Faces are the stitching on them. Love the stitching on them. Look at all that. Look at all that. God. And the brain. A little bit of brain right there. Now, so far, that might be the only criticism I have is the brain. Because if you compare them to the original Forever Faces, the 2.0s, let's go with that, the 2.0s, because they're not the originals. You see the brain. There's a lot more brain. A lot more brain. Here we got a little bit of brain. But I'm thinking this is a little more realistic because depending on where the mask is when you put it on, which we will get to in a second, it's really gonna maybe realistically, you'll only have that much of your brain actually showing if it was, the fit of the face. I don't know. But there's only one way to really know, and that's to put it on. So, try to do that. There's all this luscious hair that you love. You know you love it. Oh, the smell. Love that new Forever Face smell. Oh my god. Yeah. This shit Whoa, almost dropped it. Wow. Right off the bat, way more comfortable. Way more comfortable. Not that the 2.1s are uncomfortable, but just this one is way more comfortable because it's more room. It's bigger. Oh, I love the neck now. That was kind of an issue I had with it when I would see it on them, on the guys, but now I love it. I love that it covers the neck. For me, it covers my neck completely. Like, you can't even see my neck beard. Oh, man. Wow. 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 Yeah. Oh. This is well worth the money. Well worth the damn money. Holy crap. Yeah. Also, after I record everything, I found this in the box. So yeah. They do great work for real. DWM Productions. Fuck yeah. So, yeah. If you like videos like this, and want to see more videos like this, or similar to this, but not really that similar, then make sure you do the YouTube things, which is like, comment, subscribe, and share, whichever order works for you, the viewer. Do whatever you want, you know, and spread the good word from the Church of Xul about our brethren, our gods of evil, the unholy trinity themselves. Alla Xul Elu. So, yeah, spread the word, spread the message of evil, of hatred, of black-tongued blasphemy. Spread so that more people will know of the blessings that is Xul. But also, mostly for this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, share around if you want, man. You know, check out their music, check their stuff out, man. Check out, if you've never heard Alla Xul Elu, check their shit out. I don't think I will go as far as say I don't think you will regret what you hear. Really dope dudes, really dope music. Oh man, I love this thing. Great product too, great merchandising. I'm Eric Nigma because you aren't, but that's okay. All right, praise Xul and long live evil.
Forever face.
So scary.
Forever face.
So scary.